Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll show how to switch a PIERRE controller from Ethernet to Wi-Fi. To begin, place the controller in AP mode by holding the AP button for a few seconds until the LED turns white. Once it's detected, the interface will confirm connection. Tap on the controller, then choose Edit Network Settings. The controller starts blinking rapidly to confirm it's ready. You now have the option to select between Ethernet or wireless, and to choose between automatic IP, DHCP, static IP. In this example, we'll keep it on automatic IP and switch to wireless. Next, select the Wi-Fi network. Here we choose PIERRE Academy. Enter the password, in this case 1234567 and press Save. From this point on, the PIERRE controller will connect via Wi-Fi. Once the LED turns green, the controller is back online and fully operational. Thanks for watching. For more practical guides and tutorials, check out the PIERRE Academy playlist. See you in the next video.